Get ready to discover the coolest tools that combine cutting-edge innovation with unmatched functionality. These game-changing gadgets are designed to make your projects faster, easier, and more efficient. From heavy-duty workhorses to clever problem solvers, each tool is a must-have for any serious DIYer or professional. Let's dive into the ultimate lineup of tools that will elevate your craftsmanship to the next level. If versatility had a face, it would look like the SHARPAL 103N all-in-one sharpener. This compact yet mighty tool is your ultimate sharpening buddy, capable of sharpening kitchen knives, scissors, garden tools, and even serrated blades. The tungsten carbide blades and ceramic bar combination ensure your tools are razor sharp without any hassle. The best part? It comes with a handy preset angle guide, making it almost foolproof to achieve precision sharpening every time. Whether you're prepping your gear for the workshop or keeping your gardening arsenal in top shape, this sharpener has you covered. With its ergonomic handle and non-slip base, this sharpener prioritizes user safety while ensuring efficiency. It's built tough for both indoor and outdoor use, so whether you're in the garage or the wilderness, it's up for the challenge. Compact enough to fit into any toolbox, but powerful enough to breathe life into your dull tools, the SHARPAL 103N proves that big results often come from small packages. It's a must-have for anyone who takes their gear seriously. And an industrial-grade powerhouse rolled into one. Designed to save time and maximize efficiency, this machine easily strips insulation off wires of various sizes, from delicate cables to thick industrial wires. The adjustable blade and rollers make it super versatile, while its durable steel frame ensures this workhorse can handle heavy-duty tasks without breaking a sweat. It's perfect for electricians, recyclers, or anyone looking to turn scrap wires into valuable raw materials. What sets this wire stripper apart is its ease of use. Simply feed the wire in, adjust the settings, and watch it work its magic. Its compact design makes it portable enough to take on site, yet robust enough to set up as a permanent fixture in your workspace. Whether you're stripping wires for a big project or recycling for cash, the VEVOR wire stripping machine is like having a tireless assistant that's always ready to perform. Takes the idea of a simple tool and gives it a modern, rugged twist. With a durable metal body and an innovative folding mechanism, this knife is designed to handle the toughest tasks without compromising comfort or convenience. Its quick-change blade system allows you to swap out blades in seconds, no tools required, making it perfect for professionals and DIYers alike. Whether you're cutting drywall, trimming carpet, or opening packages, this utility knife is up for the job. What makes it stand out is the thoughtful design that balances strength and safety. The blade locks securely into place during use, while the ergonomic handle ensures a firm, comfortable grip. Plus, it's compact enough to slip into your pocket, but rugged enough to feel at home on a construction site. The TOUGHBUILT utility knife isn't just a tool. It's a statement that you're ready for whatever the job throws at you. It's proof that great things really do come in compact sizes. Don't let its manageable footprint fool you. This toolbox is designed to maximize storage and organization. With a sturdy plastic body reinforced by durable latches, it's built to last and handle heavy-duty use. Inside, it features a removable inner tray that makes sorting small tools, screws, or bits a breeze, while the spacious lower compartment has room for your larger gear. Whether you're a weekend tinkerer or a full-time pro, this toolbox keeps your essentials organized and within reach. What makes this toolbox special is its thoughtful design. The lid has built-in organizers for easy access to frequently used items, saving you from rummaging around during critical moments. Lightweight yet robust, it's easy to carry to the garage, workshop, or job site. The ANYYION 14-inch toolbox isn't just storage, it's a compact command center for your tools, helping you work smarter, not harder. The MILWAUKEE M18 TRUEVIEW LED stand light is the ultimate illumination powerhouse for job sites and projects where visibility is crucial. Powered by MILWAUKEE's M18 battery system, this LED stand light delivers up to 2,500 lumens of bright, natural light that mimics daylight, ensuring you can see every detail with perfect clarity. Its adjustable head and telescoping design allow you to customize the light's direction and height, reaching up to 7 feet. Whether you're working in tight spaces, outdoors, or at night, this light ensures no shadow goes unnoticed. What truly sets this stand light apart is its durability and portability. It's built to withstand the roughest conditions with reinforced legs and impact-resistant materials that can handle drops, dust, and moisture. Plus, it folds down into a compact size for effortless transportation and storage. With MILWAUKEE's trademark reliability and performance, the M18 TRUEVIEW LED stand light is the ultimate tool for professionals who need serious lighting on the go. By combining stability, portability, and convenience in one package. Designed to accommodate most miter saws on the market, this stand boasts a robust steel frame that supports up to 330 pounds of weight, making it perfect for even the heaviest duty projects. Its adjustable arms and roller supports provide the flexibility to handle long pieces of material with ease, whether you're cutting trim, beams, or anything in between. What makes this miter saw stand truly shine is its practical design. With quick-release brackets, folding legs, and built-in transport wheels, setting up and moving the stand is a breeze. No more struggling with cumbersome equipment. This stand is your ultimate companion for achieving precision cuts while maintaining a streamlined workflow. Whether you're a seasoned carpenter or a weekend warrior, the Evolution Miter Saw Stand transforms your workspace into a cutting-edge station. Featuring a high-torque motor and a 14-inch tungsten carbide tip blade, this saw slices through steel, aluminum, and other metals faster and cleaner than abrasive alternatives. Say goodbye to sparks, burrs, and the need for extensive post-cut grinding. This saw delivers cool-to-the-touch, accurate cuts in one go. It's an industrial-grade tool that packs professional performance in a user-friendly package. Durability and efficiency are the name of the game with this saw. The heavy-duty build ensures it can handle rigorous use, while the quick-release vise makes clamping and repositioning material a breeze. With its ergonomic handle and well-balanced design, you can tackle tough cuts without breaking a sweat. Whether you're working on fabrication, metalwork, or construction projects, the Evolution Metal Cutting Cut-Off Saw turns daunting tasks into smooth operations. Is an innovative solution for anyone tired of juggling tools and supplies while working on a ladder. This clever tray easily attaches to most ladders and provides a stable, rotating platform to keep everything you need right at your fingertips. Whether it's paint cans, screwdrivers, or a cup of coffee, the tray's 360-degree rotation ensures you can access your tools without constantly climbing up and down. It's like having an extra set of hands that work smarter, not harder. Durability meets practicality with this ingenious accessory. Made from lightweight yet tough materials, the JOKARI tray is easy to install and designed to withstand the rigors of demanding tasks. Its non-slip surface and integrated compartments keep your tools secure and organized, even when you're working at awkward angles. If you're looking to improve efficiency and safety on your next project, the JOKARI rotating ladder tray is a must-have addition to your gear arsenal. Whether you're working on cabinetry, doors, or heavy-duty construction projects, This innovative device can lift up to an impressive 330 pounds with just the press of a handle, making it a must-have for anyone tackling solo installations or adjustments. With millimeter-perfect control and a sturdy steel and aluminum construction, it turns heavy lifting into a one-person job, saving time and effort while enhancing safety and accuracy. What sets the Viking arm apart is its versatility and ergonomic design. It's not just a lifting tool. It doubles as a clamp, making it perfect for holding materials in place while you work. The compact size means you can use it in tight spaces, and its intuitive controls are easy to master. Whether you're a professional builder or a DIY enthusiast, this tool is like having an extra pair of strong, steady hands that never tire. Designed for in-bike storage, this sleek system integrates essential riding tools directly into your handlebars, offering quick access to nearly any repair solution when you're out on the trail or road. The durable and flexible storage sleeves ensure your tools stay secure and protected from the elements, while the clever design keeps your bike looking clean and streamlined. No more fumbling through bags or pockets. Your tools are right where you need them. What makes this kit stand out is its universal fit and adaptability. The storage sleeve includes a customizable rubber flap that can be easily cut to match your handlebar's inner diameter, making it compatible with most mountain and road bike bars. Whether you're tackling rugged trails or cruising on the pavement, the NK System Bar Kit ensures you're prepared for any roadside or trailside emergency with a minimalist, space-saving solution that's always within reach. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more videos like this. See you in the next one. Happy crafting!